Let's talk about Kalkhoff bike trekking Entice Excite B11 11G 13AH 36V frame type, men's diamond frame height, 43s. Frame, Integrale 0.5, Aluminium motor, Bosch Performance CX, 36V 250W display, Bosch Purion, LCD display with sliding 8 battery, Bosch PowerTube Li-Ion 36V. Brake, Shimano Deore XT M8000, hydraulic disc brake, rear derailleur, Shimano Deore XT M8000, gear lever, Shimano Deore XT M8000, crankset, concept, gear ratio, front, 18, rear, 1140. Handlebars, Kalkhoff one-piece, riser, saddle, Selle Royal Rampage, Selle Royal Verve seat post, Concept X front hub, Shimano Deore M6010, 15 by 100 mm quick release axle rear hub, Shimano Deore M6010, 12 by 142 mm quick release axle. Rims, Rodi Blackrock, eyeleted tires, 28 inches, Schwalbe Smart Sam, 47,622 headlight, Herrmans Flacam R8, LED bicycle stand, rear stand, adjustable pedal, MTB flat, aluminium, with reflector. Brake, Shimano Deore XT M8000, hydraulic disc.